What if the fastest way to master almost any skill was to start by making something terrible? Not imperfect. I mean objectively bad. The kind of thing you don't want anyone to see? This one shift, this single mental rule can collapse years of slow, painful self-learning into months. And almost nobody uses it. Because it offends our pride. Most people learn slowly for one reason. They try to be good before they're ready to be bad. Think about it. Someone wants to learn video editing. The first thing they do isn't open the software. They buy courses. They study color theory. They analyze transitions. They watch master editors break down their workflow. 2 months later, they still haven't made a single complete video. This isn't discipline. This is perfectionism in disguise. And it quietly kills self-learning. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The best learners don't start with excellence. They start with trash. Their secret is simple and deeply unglamorous. They make something immediately with whatever unready skills they have right now, even when they don't know what they're doing. Especially when they don't know what they're doing. The first version isn't meant to impress. It's meant to exist. They don't wait for confidence. They don't wait for clarity. They move first. Why is this so powerful? Because learning is not about absorbing information. Learning is about solving real problems, not imaginary problems. When you actually make something, even a bad version, you collide with reality. Suddenly, you're not asking imaginary questions like, what should I learn next? You're asking real ones. Why does the audio sound muddy? Why does this code break? Why does this design feel wrong? These questions matter because they're earned in reality. People who prepare forever study problems they might have someday. People who build first study the problems they already have. Only one of those paths creates momentum. You try, you fail. You notice what failed. You fix it and try again. The brain learns through cycles. And the faster this loop spins, the faster you grow. Perfectionists never enter this loop. They are stuck in the so-called planning or learning phase, the fantasy phase. They confuse preparation with progress. But progress only happens after exposure. So why most people don't do this? Because making something bad feels humiliating. You don't want to look incompetent. You don't want to hurt your pride. So you hide in learning. But here's the quiet truth. Every person you admire started with work as bad as anyone else's work at the beginning. The difference is, they were brave enough to let it exist. This technique can be applied to almost any skill. Programming. Write a tiny program that barely works. Design. Make an ugly poster that communicates something. Cooking. Ready to burn some dishes? Fitness. Do 10 sloppy push-ups today. Action clarifies. It teaches, and it removes fear. So take this final thought with you. Perfection is edited, not imagined. No one thinks their way into excellence. They stumble into it. Your job is to create the first bad version right now. And you've already passed 90% of people by doing it.